Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, January 13, 2022. Today's video is about queen bee. A queen bee is typically an adult, mated female, gyne, that lives in a colony or hive of honeybees. The queen is usually the mother of most, if not all, of the bees in the hive. This close-up photograph shows numerous workers of the East African lowland honeybee surrounding a queen of the European honeybee. The queen bee is marked with a pink dot on the top of its thorax for identification. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.